Hello guys, welcome to our channel Ashwi Shekhar. Today we are playing teacher and student.
I am student and she is my friend Ashvi. She is a teacher. First of all,
First of all, I think you will play EVS class.
Yes.
Okay, then after
English.
English class?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, everyone take your position. A student take your position. So student has taken her position.
Ma'am. Good morning. Sit down.
So they have done a formal courtesy meeting. And now
I
they
have no children's book. I have only maths book.
Okay, you can write in math.
you have not brought your EVS book, student?
No.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so teacher, what we gonna do in EVS class today? What we will study in EVS class today?
First write date and day.
Okay, so today is which date today?
31 and 25.
So today is 31st October 2025
Class.
and day is Friday.
Yes.
Okay.
Write this board.
Okay. See, the student is writing the date and date today. The teacher has already written it. Okay, so what is the chapter today that you are going to study? Which chapter? Oh, so you are going to do a test. Student, are you ready for a test?
Yes.
Have you prepared for the test?
Chapter is
Which chapter? Teacher? What are you writing, teacher? Let's see what the teacher is writing there. I think the teacher is writing test. Test of. So the teacher is writing test of, I think, chapter. Test of chapter 5. Srimai, have you prepared for the chapter 5 test?
Yes.
Sure? Okay. So let's see what the teacher is going to ask in this chapter. I think this must be a easy test. This
This
should
is
not.
not easy test.
It's not an easy test.
this is easy test.
It's
You
an easy
need
test.
to write the question and the answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if you will write both the things, then it will take so much time. I think the teacher should write the question
No.
and
No. All the students also write question because I am only writing 5.
okay. So it will not take much time now.
No.
Okay. So you write the 5 questions. Then the student will also write the 5 questions. And then we will see whether the student knows the answers or not. Okay, student? Ready? Both of you are ready? Okay.
Let's write question number 1.
Okay. So write question number 1. Okay. Very good. Okay. So guys, let us wait for them. They will write all the questions first. And then we will see whether they know the answers or not. Okay. So wait for some
My
time.
writing is
So guys, you can see the teacher has written all the questions there. I think she has written 3 questions. The 3 questions are: who made your shoes? The second question is: name 2 tools of a plumber. And the third question is: where do you go when you fall sick? Okay. So student, did you understand the questions? Have you written the questions on your notebook?
yes.
Okay. So you know all the answers of the questions.
Yes.
And teacher, you also know the questions of question answers.
Yes.
Okay, both of you know the answers.
Yes.
Okay, so first the student will tell the answer and then teacher will say whether the answers are correct or not. Okay? Okay, so the first question is: who made your shoes?
Cobbler.
So, cobbler. Okay, teacher, is it true?
True.
Yes, good. Next question. What is the next question, teacher? Please tell.
Name
Ne-
2 tools of a plumber.
Okay, what are the 2 tools?
Wrench and spanner.
Is it true, teacher? Teacher, is it true?
You're not right.
I think the teacher is confused. Teacher, are the answer true or not?
You're not right now.
Yes, he has written. You tell now whether the answer are correct or not. I think the teacher is not sure that much. Teacher, are you sure or not? So guys, I think there is some confusion here. The teacher is not sure whether the answer are correct or not. So we have to intervene. So teacher, Are you sure now whether the answer are correct or not? So guys, I think they have finalized the second question answer. So Srimay, what have you written? Tell me.
Wrench and spanner.
Okay, so the teacher, is it correct answer?
Wrench is correct.
Okay.
Spanner is not correct.
Spanner is not correct. I think plumber has a spanner.
Yes. Spanner spelling is not correct.
Okay, the spelling is not correct.
Yes.
Okay, that can be corrected. But the answer is correct. The spelling is wrong. The answer is correct. Okay, that can be corrected. Okay. So the third question is, where do you go when you fall sick? So student, tell me what is the answer?
Hospital.
Hospital. So the teacher, your turn. Is it a correct answer?
He's writing down. Yeah.
Yes. Is it correct or not? Okay. All the three questions has been completed, and the third question answer is hospital. So teacher, is it the correct answer?
No.
Is not correct. I think that
Hospital spelling not.
okay, spelling may be corrected, but the answer is correct na. We go to hospital na.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, we will correct the spelling later. Okay, see guys, they have corrected the spelling here, and all the three questions is right here. And now we will see how the student is going to ask some question to the teacher, and whether the teacher can answer those questions or not. Okay, so teacher, this is your turn. The student will ask you some question, and you have to give answer to the student.
My question.
So guys, we have seen that they had written three questions, and all the three questions were answered. Now the teacher has written one more question, and the question is, who is the head of the school? So student, have you written the question? And you know the answer?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the answer of this question?
Principal.
Principal. Is it true, teacher? So guys, student has given all the answers correct. Now we will see whether the teacher can give the questions answers or not. So the student will ask 4 questions. As teacher has asked 4 questions to the student will also ask 4 questions to the teacher. So student, are you ready to
Yes.
ask question to the teacher?
Yes.
So what question going to you ask first? What is the first question?
First is name of a carpenter.
What is the name of a carpenter? Not, I think we were asking what is the spelling of a carpenter. Okay, so the teacher, what is the spelling of carpenter?
Carpenter.
Okay, so student, is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good Ashvi, very good teacher. So the next question.
Next question is the tool of a tailor.
Okay, what is the tool of a tailor, teacher?
Caesar.
Scissor. Is it correct, student?
True.
Okay, true. So the second question also true. Now the third question.
Third question is who makes furniture?
Who makes furniture?
Carpenter.
Carpenter. Is it correct, student? Okay, good, nice. Now the last question.
Spelling of a hammer.
Okay. Okay, teach. Guys, say H.
HAMMER.
Very good. So all the answers has been done correct. So guys, so here we end today's video, and you see that both the student and teacher have done a good job, and they are studying well, and they know the questions answer very nice. So in next video we will see what to do, as they are planning to do some drawing. So we will do some drawing, or I was thinking that I will make some India map puzzle. We will see later on. And, no?
No,
Only-
I make a earth.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, student teacher, next time we will do
Bye,
drawing and we will.
Bye.
Okay, bye guys.